Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this one we're talking about how to create a booking system on Tradify. So in order to create it, you just go to Scheduler in here and you tap on New Appointment to set a new one so that you can schedule stuff. And now choose the start date, click on the calendar here, say next day tomorrow, and say 10 p.m. And the ending is going to be next day at also 10 p.m. Also, you can connect staff if you want. You just press on plus and new staff member. Also, you can add some notes and then press on save. If you wish to connect a job to this appointment, you can press on here and create a new one. Otherwise, press on save. And as you can see now, our appointment is successfully created. And also, guys, keep in mind that your team members will also be notified about a certain appointment into their email, so you can be sure that they will definitely know about it. And also another way to make a new appointment is to just click on any day in your calendar. So for example, let's say Sunday 28th, you click on, for example, a certain time. As you can see, we have time on the left, and on the top we have the date. So let's say we want to do 12 p.m. So right here, 12 p.m. as you can see is already chosen. Then you choose the end date, add a job if you wish, or search from the ones you've already created, and add notes. So that's pretty much how you do this, guys. Enjoy. If you like these kind of videos, make sure to support us as well with a like and a subscription.